Welcome to 20 Cars, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we are diving into the stunning exterior design of the Suzuki Mini Bus 2025, a vehicle that perfectly blends practicality with modern aesthetics. Let's take a closer look at what makes this mini bus stand out in its category. The first thing you notice about the Suzuki Mini Bus 2025 is its commanding road presence. Its compact yet robust design is engineered for versatility, making it ideal for urban commutes and long road trips alike. The bold front grille immediately catches your eye, featuring a chrome-accented honeycomb pattern that exudes confidence. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights, which not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. Moving along the sides, the body of the mini bus is sculpted with precision. Its aerodynamic lines and subtly flared wheel arches give it a dynamic and sporty profile. This design reduces drag while maintaining a rugged aesthetic, making it as efficient as it is stylish. The addition of body-colored side mirrors with integrated turn signals adds a modern touch, ensuring both safety and style. The Suzuki Mini Bus 2025 rides on newly designed alloy wheels that perfectly complement its bold character. These multi-spoke rims are not just about good looks, they are designed to improve handling and performance. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or winding mountain roads, these wheels provide a smooth and stable ride. At the rear, the Suzuki Mini Bus boasts a clean and contemporary design. The rear LED taillights are seamlessly integrated into the body, creating a cohesive and polished look. A high-mounted brake light enhances visibility for vehicles behind you, while the rear bumper is equipped with reflective inserts for added safety. The subtle roof spoiler not only contributes to the vehicle's aerodynamics but also adds a sporty flair. The color palette for the Suzuki Mini Bus 2025 is diverse and vibrant, offering options that suit every personality, from classic shades like pearl white and metallic silver to bolder choices like crimson red and midnight blue. Suzuki ensures that there's a hue for everyone. The paint is treated with a high-gloss finish that enhances durability and resists wear, keeping your mini bus looking new for years to come. Another standout feature of the exterior is the inclusion of functional roof rails. These not only enhance the mini bus's versatility by accommodating additional cargo but also add to its rugged and adventurous appeal. The wide-opening sliding doors on both sides ensure easy access for passengers, making it a practical choice for families and businesses alike. The Suzuki Mini Bus 2025 reflects Suzuki's legacy of innovation and reliability. Every curve and detail is designed to enhance functionality while maintaining a modern and eye-catching aesthetic. Whether you're driving through busy urban landscapes or exploring off-the-beaten paths, this mini bus is built to impress. Thank you for tuning into 20 Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest automotive marvels. See you next time.